Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I just finished this Mandala Maryam. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and crochet this mandala with me. And please, if you like this tutorial, just subscribe my channel and like videos. Thank you so much. Okay, let's start round 37 and 38. For close round 36, after the last front post double crochet and last chain 1, slip stitch top of very first bubble stitch here, and this round finish. Round 37, chain 1 just for a start. In this round we want to make bubble stitch cluster, connect these two bubble stitch together. So yarn over, a front post double crochet around this bubble stitch, the last bubble stitch of round 36, pull up a loop and yarn over, another double crochet around the next bubble stitch. Now a bubble stitch here like this. Now for chain 1, 2, 3 and 4, a front post double crochet around this cluster here, 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, two front post double crochet cluster around this two to make a cluster, 1 and the other one here, totally 3 loops on the hook and a cluster here, so like this. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, yarn over, here in the center 3 front post double crochet cluster, so 1, 2 and 3, now a cluster, 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 2 front post double crochet cluster around this cluster and next front post double crochet, four chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, a front post double crochet around this, now 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 double crochet bubble stitch, 1 double crochet around this bubble stitch and another double crochet around the next, now a bubble stitch here, and repeat this pattern like this. I just repeat the pattern, 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, a front post double crochet around this front post double crochet, now 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 front post double crochet cluster here, 1 here and the other one around this one. Now 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 front post double crochet cluster here, 1, 2 and 3, now a cluster, 5 chain, 1 2 3 4 and 5, 2 front post double crochet cluster here, 1 and 2. Now a cluster here, 4 chain, 1 2 3 4 and a front post double crochet here, again 4 chain, 1 2 3 4 and 2 double crochet bubble stitch, one here and the other one around next bubble stitch and the bubble stitch here. Continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here to close this round. For close round 37, after the last 4 chain, make a slip stitch top of very first bubble stitch here, and this round finish. Round 38 is the last round, and this mandala will be finishing this round. For a start, this round 4 chain, count as first triple crochet, 1 2 3 and 4. Now a front post single crochet around this double crochet. Now a picot here, 3 chain, 1 2 3 and a slip stitch into this single crochet. This is a picot. Again 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4. Now a double crochet into very first chain of this 4 chain here, like this. A front post single crochet around this cluster. Now a picot, 1 2 3 and a picot into this single crochet here, into these 2 loops. Make a slip stitch to be a picot. Again 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4 and a double crochet into very first chain of this 4 chain, like this. Now here in the center a front post single crochet around this cluster, like this. 4 chain, 1 2 3 4. This is count as first double crochet plus chain 1. Now another double crochet into same single crochet here, chain 1, another double crochet into same single crochet here. Now 3 chain, 1 2 3 and a picot into these 2 loops. Make a slip stitch, then chain 1, another double crochet into same single crochet. Now 4 chain, 1 2 3 4. This is count as a double crochet and a chain. Now a slip stitch into same single crochet here. So this picot is like this. Now 4 chain, 1 2 3 4, a double crochet into very first chain of this 4 chain, Now a front post single crochet around the next cluster. Now a picot, 1 2 3, a picot here into this 2 chain or 2 loops here, again 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4, and a double crochet into very first chain here like this, a front post single crochet around this double crochet. Now a picot, 1 2 3, a picot into this single crochet, make a slip stitch. Now here top of this flower or around this bubble stitch, make a triple crochet, yarn over twice, four chain, 1 2 3 and 4, a double crochet into first chain here. Now 3 chain, 1 2 3, make a picot here like this. Now 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4, another double crochet into first chain here like this. Now yarn over twice to make a triple crochet around same bubble stitch here. It's like this. I just want to repeat the pattern one more time. A front post single crochet here like this, then a picot, 1 2 3, a picot here, now 4 chain, 1 2 3 4, a double crochet into very first chain here, exactly into first chain, a front post single crochet around next cluster, 3 chain, 1 2 and 3, now a picot, again 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4, and a double crochet into first chain here. Now in the center, a front post single crochet around this cluster, 4 chain, 1 2 3 4, a double crochet into same single crochet, now chain 1, another double crochet into same single crochet, now a picot here, 1 2 3, a picot, chain 1, another double crochet into same single crochet here, then 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4, a slip stitch into this single crochet here, and continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here. Now for close last round, after the last picot here, yarn over twice, make a triple crochet around this bubble stitch we had made already. Then 4 chain, 1 2 3 4, and a double crochet into very first chain here. Now 3 chain, 1 2 3, a picot here. Again 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4, and a double crochet into first chain here. Now for close this round, make a slip stitch top of very first 4 chain, 1 2 3 4 here, slip stitch, another slip stitch for safety, and this round finish. Totally this mandala finish, and cut the yarn